dear students. How are you? I hope you will be in the best of your health. Dear students, I welcome you on my channel once again. Students, if you want to make maths easy for you, I suggest you quickly subscribe my channel, press bell icon and select the option of all so that you could get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. So students, let's make maths easy all together. As you know, I have started chapter 2 and we are doing exercise 2.6. Today I will solve some important and difficult questions for you. Students, I will solve question number 4. In question number 4, it is written, simplify and write your answer in the form a plus b iota. Students, the statement of the question is same like question number 2 and question number 3. But in this question, the parts which will solve are a bit difficult ones. So let's begin. In question number 4, we'll solve fourth part. Students, in fourth part, it is written 2 minus 6 iota over 3 plus iota minus 4 plus iota over 3 plus iota. Students, this is a complex number and it is in the form of fractions. There is a subtraction between the fractions. So students, let's see how to solve it. First of all, in the first step, as we solve two fractions which are adding or subtracting, students, we take LCM. The denominators are same but the numerators are different. So you know that when denominators are same, so the same number is taken as an LCM. So this 3 plus iota will be the LCM of these two fractions. So students, when the denominator and the LCM same, then the numerators are written same. But if there is subtraction sign between two fractions, then the second fraction's numerator is written in the bracket. Students, 4 plus iota will be written within the brackets. So let's solve this. We'll open this bracket and this minus sign will change the signs inside the terms. So 2 minus 6 iota minus 4 and minus iota over 3 plus iota. 3 plus iota will be written as it is. Now we have to solve the terms written in the numerator. So let's see students, this is minus 4, this is plus 2. So these two will be subtracted, will get minus 2, and this is minus 6 iota and this is minus iota. So both terms are having the same iota. So these two have same signs, means minus signs. So they will be added. Minus sign will be written minus and both will be added. So 7 iota is the answer of these two numbers. So 3 plus iota will be written same again. In the next step, students will see how to do this. Student here will apply the method of rationalization. So with the change of sign, if there is plus, we'll write minus 3 minus iota. So the sign will be changed, and this denominator will be multiplied and divided by the fraction. So students, let's see in the next step, numerators and denominators will be multiplied. So minus 2 minus 7 iota multiplied by 3 minus iota over, because these two are same with the difference of minus signs only, so we'll apply the formula. You know the formula, students. I will remind you the formula. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this formula will be applied on the denominator. So first of all, we'll simplify the numerator. 2, first term of first bracket is minus 2. Minus 2 will be multiplied by the whole bracket 3 minus iota, and then second term of the first bracket is minus 7 iota into 3 minus iota and whole divided by. Will apply this formula on this denominator. So square of first term minus square of second term will be written in place of this. 3 is first term, so we'll write according to the formula square of first term a and square of second term b, as this formula is. So we have written square of 3 minus square of iota. So this formula is applied upon the denominator. Okay, in the next step, students, let's multiply these numbers inside the brackets. Minus 2, 3 is minus 6, minus minus plus 2 iota, minus 7, 3 is 21 iota, minus minus plus 7 iota square, whole divided by square of 3 is 9 minus iota square. So students, now we have to add or subtract these if possible. Minus 6 is written as it is, and this is iota and this is also iota. These two will be subtracted, will get minus 19. Subtracting 2 from 21 will get 19 with sign minus, because the bigger number has minus sign. So 19 iota plus 7, and in place of iota square we'll write minus 1. 9 minus iota square has a value minus 1, so in place of iota square we have written minus 1 is equal to minus 6 minus 19 iota and minus plus minus 7 ones are 7 over 9 minus minus plus 1 is equal to, these two will be added, it will become minus 13 minus 19 iota over 10. So students, our answer is minus 13 over 10 minus 19 over 10 iota. Students, this is the standard form of complex number. So this is how to solve it. Students, now will do its second part. In question number 4, there are 6 parts and I will solve just 2 parts for you. One part is done. Now I'm going to do part 6 for you. 1 divided by 2 plus 3 iota into 1 minus iota. So students, let's see how to solve it. First of all, we'll multiply these two brackets. 2 into 1 minus iota. First term of first bracket will be multiplied by the second whole bracket, and now second term of first bracket will be multiplied by the second bracket terms 1 minus iota. Students, 1 numerator will be written as it is. Now multiply these numbers inside the bracket. 2 ones are 2 minus 2 iota plus 3 ones are 3 iota minus 3 ones are 3 iota square. So in the next step, 1 over. Now let's see which of these terms can be added. Now look at these two middle terms with the iota, so they will be subtracted because they have different signs. 2 plus 3 iota minus 2 iota is plus iota minus 3 iota square. In next step, 2 plus iota minus 3, in place of iota square we'll write minus 1, and let's do on the other side of the whiteboard. 1 over with equal sign 2 plus iota minus minus plus 3 ones are 3. 1 over, these two will be added. 5 plus iota will get. Now students, again we have to apply the method of rationalization. The denominator will be multiplied and divided by this fraction by changing the sign. 5 minus iota over 5 minus iota. 5 minus iota, ones are 5 minus iota, and the denominators will be multiplied 5 minus iota as it is, and will apply the same formula as I told you in the previous question. 5 square of first term, because this is plus, this is minus, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square will be applied again here, minus iota square. 5 minus iota over 25 minus iota square. 5 minus iota over 25 minus, in place of iota square we'll write minus 1. So to solve it further, we'll erase the steps on the left hand side. Now students, 5 minus iota over 25 minus minus plus 1, and it will become 5 minus iota over 26, and let's separate them. 5 over 26, denominator will be separated by the numerator. 5 over 26 minus 1 over 26 iota. So this will be the required standard form. So students, I hope that you have understood the method of these questions. If you want to make maths easy for you, quickly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon so that you could get all the notifications of my next videos. So students, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. God bless you all.